it's recording. It should be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The red light means
Yeah.
right?
We're gonna do it this way. Check that out.
I wonder.
Rose hitting a Neo in real life.
That's your mama?
Are you expecting to get that wet?
Huh?
Are you expecting to get that? Oh, okay.
It's going down backwards.
No.
What the? Oh my gosh. So oh, looks like it'll be me. It's me, it's me.
That is. Oh, that is way colder than I expected.
It's way warmer. Let's go, Mom.
Really?
Oh, my feet are so.
That's why I put on water shoes.
Agreed.
I am also. You are so wet. You can see through your shirt.
Oh, I think it's
Oh no.
I think it's us. Oh,
Come on, give it to
No.
Andrew. Andrew, you're the driest one here.
Oh, it's gonna be me again.
No, it's gonna be Andrew. It's me.
No, it's
Andrew. It's me.
It's me.
They went from a sweater to a wetter. Oh my lamb.
It's dry, I promise it's dry.
Yay, Nathan! You're it! You're it!
Oh, I forgot about this part.
yes, that was awesome.
You guys ready for ice cream?
Totally worth it. That was fun.
It's so fun, isn't it?
Jeez.
Yes.
I am
but
very, very
I am in
wet.
my swimsuit.
I am not. That's why
Same.
This is why I was like, no, I'm gonna change. No, I'm gonna go.
Okay.